In this tutorial, I will show you how to cycle between tabs, how to close tabs, and how to create new tabs. This tutorial is relevant to Windows 10, Google Chrome, Microsoft Excel, and PDF viewers. Moving between tabs. Moving between browser tabs. Press Ctrl and page down to cycle forward through browser tabs, and press Ctrl and page up to cycle backwards through browser tabs. Moving between Excel tabs. Press Ctrl and page down to cycle forward through Excel tabs, and Ctrl and page up to cycle backwards through Excel tabs. Moving between PDF tabs. Press Ctrl and Tab to cycle forward through PDF tabs, and Ctrl-Shift Tab to cycle backwards. Closing tabs. Closing browser tabs. Clicking on the X to close browser tabs takes way too long. You can reopen closed tabs with the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-T. Using your middle mouse button and clicking anywhere in the middle of tabs closes them a lot faster. Closing browser tabs, alternative method. You can also cycle through open browser tabs using the shortcuts Ctrl, page up and down. Then, when you see an open tab that you want to close, simply press Ctrl W. Closing Excel tabs. A shortcut that you can use to close Excel tabs is Alt-E-L. You don't press the keys together, you press them in that sequence. Closing PDF tabs. Clicking on the X to close PDF tabs takes way too long. Using your middle mouse button and clicking anywhere in the middle of tabs closes them a lot faster. Let me show you. Now isn't that fast? Closing programs in general. Use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-Tab to display tabs of open programs. This screen will allow you to close open programs by clicking on the X. To close programs quicker, you can also click in the middle of these tabs with the middle mouse button. New tabs. New browser tabs. Clicking on the plus button to open a new browser tab takes way too long. Use the shortcut Ctrl-T instead. This will instantly open a new browser tab. New Excel tabs. Creating new tabs in Excel is a bit different. Use the shortcut Shift F11 to create a new tab. You can rename newly created tabs by pressing the following sequence of keys: Alt, O, H, R, in that order. New PDF tabs. In PDF viewers, we don't usually create new tabs. However, something that we do often is to open new PDF documents. Use the shortcut Ctrl-O to open a new PDF document. If your preview pane is not switched on already, you can easily access this tool by pressing the shortcut key Alt-P. The preview pane will allow you to see a preview of PDF documents before you even open them. Opening programs with the middle mouse button. When you use your middle mouse button to click on any icon in the taskbar, you will open that program in the same way that the left mouse button does. The advantage of the middle mouse button, however, comes into play when you want to open another instance of that program. Here you can see that I've opened 2 instances of Microsoft Excel. Just remember that this action is not the same as clicking on the thumbnail that pops up. Clicking on the thumbnail will close the program. If you want to access the documents used in this demonstration, go to the description of this video. I will post the links there. Thank you for watching.
If you would like to be notified of upcoming videos, click the subscribe button and bell notification.